Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you make Agidi Jollof girl. Exactly what you see on the screen. This Agidi was super delicious and I said let me share it with you friends and family. Keep watching and let's dive into it. First, to make this delicious agidi, we need 1 kilo of fresh beef bone, the one that has biscuit bone and also marrows in it. We need the stock. So to cook it, I will transfer it into a clean pan after washing. And to season it, I will go in with 1 tablespoon of seasoning, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of thyme and dry rosemary, 1 teaspoon of salt to taste, then my blended mixture, garlic, ginger, onions and pepper. Then I will go ahead and add some chopped onions and stir to combine. After that, I will cover this to cook on a high flame for 40 minutes. And because it's biscuit bone, we have to add water, enough water to cook it, to bring it to a boil. Keep watching. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning back. So to make the sauce for the Agidi Jollof, we need red bell pepper. I will be using 3 red bell pepper. Don't forget to remove the seeds, just like you see. Then I have half thumb of ginger, garlic, tomato and onions, and after that I'll blend it super smooth, exactly what you see on the screen. Next, I'll transfer it into a clean pot, and to cook the sauce, the stew, I will add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of seasoning, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, half teaspoon of salt to taste, and then 125 ml of vegetable oil and cover to cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. While that is aside, I'll go ahead and check the bone, and you notice the stock is very oily. This is what we need to prepare our jollof moi moi. I will allow it to cook for 5 minutes again, and after 5 minutes it is cooked. So I will transfer this into a strainer to take away the stock. We really need it. Everyone, you can notice the oil. This is a super healthy oil. So while that is aside, let's check our stew. At this point, I will add the bone stock and then also the biscuit bone and stir to combine, and I will leave it to cook on a medium flame for 5 minutes. Keep watching everyone, don't go away. So for our Agidi Jollof, we'll be using white corn starch. That is what we'll call akamu. And to mix it, I will transfer it into a clean bowl. Go in to mix it with a cold water. Mix and make sure all the lumps disappear, everything blends together. You notice that there's no lumps in it. Next, I will go ahead and add boiling water. Add till everything mixed properly, and it is just the way you make pap or akamu. And make sure there is no lumps. So you see how it is. So the next thing we're going to do after this is to put it in a pot and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a low flame. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning back. Don't forget to like, comment, share my videos to your friends and families. So to know if it is cooked, I'll add a little of it inside a cold water. If it floats, that means it is cooked. Yeah, it is properly cooked. So next, I'll go ahead and transfer and add the stew and mixed. Combine. Hello my genuine subscribers, thank you for your wonderful support, and if this is your first time, you are highly welcome. All the ingredients used in this very recipe will be at the description box down below, and for more yummy recipes, please stay connected. So for the wrapping, we'll be using oma leaf, the same leaf we use for beans pudding, that is moi. So I'll be putting some of them inside a plastic plate. This Agidi Jollof was super yummy, so make yours and make sure it is the consistency is what you like. You notice my consistency is not that thick, so make yours the way you want it. If you love it very thick, then make your pap to be thick. If you want it light, make it to be light. Don't forget to support my channel by watching the ads, and don't forget to like and also join my family on Instagram at Ulelu Kitchen. So I just go in with my bone. After scooping some of it into the plate, then I'll go in to add the bone and then add again to cover it. After doing this, I will do this until I will repeat the process until I am done, and after that I will leave it to cool for 2 minutes. So because my consistency is light, I'll allow it to cool till the next day. But if yours is very thick, 1 to 2 hours it is set for you to enjoy it. This recipe can be eaten anytime, morning, can be eaten as breakfast, lunch, dinner. The choice is yours, but it's super delicious, believe me everyone. Don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Agidi Jollof, Agidi Jollof. Have you eaten it? When was the last time you eat Agidi Jollof? Let me know at the comment section down below. And if you like this method, please let me know at the comment section down below. And please share my videos to your page, to your friends, and stay connected always. So after allowing it to cool, this is what it looks like. So I will just go ahead and show you how I transferred it into the plastic. So you gently press the plastic, allow it to come out, release on its own. So that is it. Don't you like this? Doesn't this look so yummy to look at? Wow, that's so nice. And then I will do the same thing to the remaining plastic. This one almost divide into 2. So this is it. It looks superb, very nice, super yummy. All right everyone, this is our Agidi Jollof. It is ready. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not done so. Stay safe, stay connected. See you all in the next video, and bye for now.